flying colors. This is Sandhya Radhakrishnan. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you future continuous tense negative sentence. Future continuous tense is a verb tense that shows the action continuing or happening over a period of time in the future. And the formula for negative sentence in future continuous tense is subject plus will plus not plus be plus present participle. Always if you find a continuous tense, it may be any verb tense, you need to write present participle. Kindly keep it in your memory. I have told you many times in my video. Negative means always put not. Here continuous tense means subject plus will not be plus present participle. That's all. This is the formula. According to the formula, you can write it. In this category, I have written some sentences. You need to change the sentences into future continuous tense without changing its meaning. Negative sentences, right? So, first sentence is, I have no plans for the weekend. I will not be planning anything during the weekend, right? This is the meaning. I is the subject, will not be is the formula, and planning is the present participle. Coming to the second sentence, I have no work to do in the evening, right? So, without changing the meaning, you need to change this particular sentence into future continuous tense. I won't be or I will not be working in the evening. You can write won't instead of will not. Both are same only. So, I have written both for your understanding. Coming to the next sentence, Dad has no time to take you to the railway station tomorrow morning. Right? Tomorrow morning means it is going to happen. So, we are talking about Dad's time. He doesn't have time to take you. So, how you can convert this into future continuous tense? Always future means what? Dad is the subject plus will plus not plus be plus. And what is the main verb in the sentence? Main verb is take. So, convert the main verb into present participles, taking. So, Dad will not be taking you to the railway station tomorrow morning. This is the answer. Very, very easy, students. You have to write subject plus will plus not plus be plus present participles when you see a future continuous tense negative sentences, right? Let me tell you some more examples. See some examples when you speak negative sentence in future continuous tense. These are all different sentences. Let us try right now. I have new contact lenses, no glasses next time. This is the sentence. You can change this into future continuous tense, negative sentence without changing the meaning. How? I will not be wearing glasses when you see me next time, right? I is the subject, will not be is the formula, and wearing is the present participles. You can change the sentence without changing the meaning, right? So, I have written wearing. This is a different sentence. I want you all to learn this also. This would be very useful for you when you converse with others, right? And one more example. You can come at 10 o'clock. We want to prepare the meal before that. I have written the answer for this sentence in future continuous tense negative. So, how you can write this? Please don't come back home at 10 o'clock. We will not be preparing the meal after that, right? The meaning is not yet changed, but I have written the sentence in future continuous tense negative, right? These are all some examples, but in your academic syllabus, they won't ask like this. These sentences you can learn for your conversations, right? One more example. By the middle of the century, there will not be any newspapers. This sentence, it is given will not, but you need to change the sentence without changing the meaning. This sentence is an example for conversation. By the middle of the century, people won't be reading newspapers. It is understood that people won't be reading newspapers. This sentence, what is the subject? People is the subject, won't be, right, is the negative, and reading is the present participles, right? Coming to the next sentence, and one more important thing, this type of sentence will not come in your academic exam. This is just for your conversations. Now I am going to teach you the pattern of sentences which might come in your academic exam. On my holiday, I will be getting up, right? I will be getting up. This is a positive sentence in future continuous tense. How can you convert this into a negative sentence? I won't be getting up, right? Otherwise, you can say, I will not be getting up. See, look at this sentence. I have underlined the particular sentence. This is how you have to change positive to negative sentence. Again, I will repeat the sentence. On my holiday, I won't be getting up at 6 o'clock as usual. I want to relax myself. This is a negative sentence. Next sentence, you're so late, everybody will be working when you arrive at office. So, everybody will be working is the future continuous tense positive sentence example. How can you convert this into negative sentence? By adding will not be plus present participle to the subject. How? Everybody won't be working when you arrive at office. That's all. Very, very simple. You can get full marks in this topic. When compared to all other verb tenses, future tense is the simple chapter. Very, very easy chapter, right? Next sentence, I think that John will be playing tennis at 7 o'clock. This is a positive sentence. For converting into negative sentence, you can write will not or won't. John is the subject, won't be or will not be playing tennis at 7 o'clock. That's all. These are some sentences that may come in your examination, right? Next sentence, the computer will be translating all text in a couple of years. Will be means you can write will not be translating all text in a couple of years. It's impossible. Computers is the subject and will not be translating is the formula. Will plus not plus be plus translating is the present participle. Next sentence, Mary will be waiting in the arrival hall this time. This is a positive sentence in future continuous tense. How? When you are converting this into a negative sentence, you have to write Mary won't be waiting. Otherwise, you can write Mary will not be waiting in the arrival hall this time because she is ill, right? Coming to the next sentence, I will be using my camera tomorrow morning. For this negative sentences, I will not be using my camera. Otherwise, I won't be using my camera tomorrow morning. Coming to the next sentence, this cinemas will be showing any films next week. That means this is a positive sentence. It may show any film. That means the cinemas will be showing some films. If you want to convert this into negative, you can write the cinemas won't be showing any films next week. Right? This is the answer. Next one, they will be delivering parcels even on 24th December. For this sentence, you can write they won't be delivering parcels on 24th December or they will not be delivering parcels on 24th December. See, always when you write negative sentences in future tense, you can write will not or won't. Both are same. Don't confuse with that. And negative means always write not with that. And moreover, if you see any continuous tense, this is future continuous tense means always write present participle. Continuous tense means blindly you can write present participles in the formula, right? Next sentence, she will be wearing the red coat the next day. This is a positive sentence. How can you convert this into a negative? By adding won't be wearing the red coat the next day. That's all. So, she is the subject. She won't be wearing or she will not be wearing the red coat for the next day. That's all. Next sentence, I will be going to Rome tomorrow. This is a positive sentence. I won't be going Rome tomorrow or I will not be going to Rome tomorrow. Next sentence, Jerry will come soon. Jerry will not be coming soon or Jerry won't be coming soon. That's all. Next, I will cook tomorrow. I won't be cooking tomorrow or I will not be cooking tomorrow. Right? Next sentence, she will have her exam tomorrow. She will not be having her exam tomorrow. Otherwise, she won't be having her exam tomorrow. Next sentence is a pattern of your academic exam. Within brackets, they may give you clues how to convert this. They may give you a main verb and not in order to convert the sentence into a negative one. For example, we won't be waiting for Lily the whole day. Within bracket not, it tells about negative, and after that to wait for. Wait is the main verb. So you have to convert this main verb into present participles, right? So he won't be waiting. That's all. Otherwise you can write he will not be waiting. This is the formula. He is the subject, won't be plus waiting is the present participle. They dash hockey at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Within brackets not slash to play. Play is the main verb. So what is the formula? They is the subject. Formula is will plus not plus be plus playing. Convert the main verb play into ing word. Ing words are otherwise called as present participles. These are some patterns that you may get in your examination, right? Next sentence, I dash to the city at this time tomorrow. Within brackets not to drive. So drive is the main verb. You need to change it into future continuous tense. So I will not be driving. So driving is the present participle. I will not be driving to the city at this time tomorrow, right? Next sentence, Jim will not be discussing his new plan with you at this time tomorrow. Not slash discuss. Discuss is the main verb and it should be changed into present participles. Jim will not be discussing. As such, you have to write. Next one, we dash our sports day on 26th October. That means within bracket not slash to have. We will not be having, otherwise we won't be having our sports day on 26th October. Students, I have taught you many patterns of sentences that you may get in your academic exam as well as when you write your competitive exam, and you can use future continuous tense when you converse with your friends and other people. So these are the examples of future continuous tense negative sentences, and I have taught you again the positive sentences also for the continuity of the chapter. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will surely reply to your comments. I hope the video is very clear to you, and this is Sandhya Radhakrishnan signing off from this video. Thank you so much.